people are going forward. This guy is going in the forward direction and this guy is going in the forward direction. They're going straight and they are not crossing each other ways. I mean to say that कि ये आदमी ना इसके रास्ते में आ रहा है और ना ये आदमी इसके रास्ते में आ रहा है. वो अपने रास्ते जा रहा है और ये आदमी अपने रास्ते जा रहा है. So we say that these two people are traveling parallelly. So what are parallel lines? Parallel lines are those lines which are opposite to one another. जो एक दूसरे के सामने हैं और इनकी लेंथ क्या कहते हैं डिपेंड नहीं करती है. They can be however long they want to be, but they are opposite to one another और ये एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करती है. So let's read the definition given to us over here. That lines are parallel if they are always the same distance apart, called equidistant. अच्छा यहाँ पे एक और पॉइंट पे दिया हुआ है, that is इन दोनों के दरमियान जो है डिस्टेंस सेम होगा. लेट्स से कि ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ का डिस्टेंस और यहाँ से लेके यहाँ का डिस्टेंस हमेशा सेम रहेगा. इट विल नॉट चेंज. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि ये लाइन पहले ऐसे जा रही थी एंड देन इट इज़ गोइंग दिस वे. नो, these two lines are having the same distance across. चाहे इस जगह पे हो, चाहे वो इस जगह पे हो, चाहे वो इस जगह पे हो, all across the distance between these two lines will be the same. Equidistant है and these two let's say the parallel lines travel in one direction. Let's say this line is going in this direction and this line is going in this direction, but these two lines will never meet up. ये लाइंस कभी भी दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करेंगी. You can see the sentence over here, that is, you can see the red line is a parallel line to the blue line. This red line is parallel to the blue line here, and this red line here is parallel to the line over here, that's the blue line. You can see the distance between these two lines is the same all over. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि अगर यहाँ पे कोई कम है तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा हो रही है. यहाँ पे all across distance दोनों लाइन्स के दरमियान सेम रहेगा. This was the first point. The second point is that these two lines point in the same direction. They just travel in the same direction. And the third thing is these lines have nothing in common. It is just written to explain us that these lines will never cross each other. ये लाइन कभी भी इसको टच नहीं करेगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक लाइन यहाँ से आ रही है और यहाँ से लाइन आ गई उसको क्रॉस कर लिया. Then these two lines are not parallel lines. These two lines are not parallel lines, as they will not meet up or they will not cross one another. So here you can see an activity. You have to draw a line segment that is parallel to this line. मतलब वो line draw करनी है जो बिल्कुल इसके parallel हो. So let me try doing it here. So let me make it just parallel. Second. And you can see that these two lines are parallel. This is an exercise you guys can do. Similarly, if you want to draw a parallel line like this, see it. This is the way you can learn drawing parallel lines. Let's move on. Now we need to discuss another thing, another basic, or you can see the major terminology, that is transverse. When parallel line gets crossed by another line, which is called a transversal, you can see that many angles are the same as in this example, and you can see different angles forming them. What do I mean by this? Let's suppose I have two parallel lines. एक हमारे पास पैरेलल लाइन है वो ये है, लेट्स सपोज, और लेट्स सपोज हमारे पास दूसरी पैरेलल लाइन है. दिस इज दी, लेट मी चेंज द कलर. दिस इज माय अदर पैरेलल लाइन, लेट्स सपोज. They may not be accurate, but for explanation purpose. And then let's suppose these two lines are parallel, and one more point to add up here is we represent parallel lines by an arrow sign. ये arrow sign हमें बताता है कि दो lines आपस में parallel हैं. जब भी हमें बताना हो कि कोई line parallel है तो हम उस पर ये arrow का sign लगाते हैं. This arrow sign represents that the two lines are parallel. So they're telling us if that when the parallel lines are crossed by another line, ये दो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, अगर इन दोनों लाइंस को कोई और दूसरी लाइन कट करे, क्रॉस करे, so let me make another line which is going to cross these two parallel lines. So we will call that line which crosses the two parallel lines, or like you can say any parallel line, we call that line as our transversal. ट्रांसवर्सल ये वो लाइन होती है जो किसी भी दो पैरेलल लाइंस को, किसी भी नंबर पैरेलल लाइंस को क्रॉस करे. So if I come to label it, we can say that these are my parallel lines, and this is my transversal. If you guys want to, you can just note these things down in your journal. Notes are very helpful. They help you guys to remember important points. Transversal. Just complete this part. So the theory is that when another line crosses two parallel lines, for example, we can take many parallel lines, and I'm talking about only two of them. We say that many different kinds of angles are formed. What do I mean by this actually? If you focus, you can see that there is an angle here also, there is an angle here also, then there is another angle, it is over here also, it is over here also, another angle over here and over here. Similarly, there's an angle over here as well. So what's happening when this line crosses two parallel lines, we get different angles. So we need to know what different angles we are actually getting. Before we move on, we have learned about 2 or 3 types of angles. Let me recall it out here. Can you guys guess out what kind of angles are formed here? You can pause the video for this purpose. Yes, you're right. We are getting vertically opposite angles here. These two angles are vertically opposite angles, and similarly these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. वो angles जो बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के साथ हो, opposite हो, आमने सामने हो, वो बराबर होते हैं और vertically opposite होते हैं. और ये कब फॉर्म होते हैं? when two lines cross out each other. अगर यहाँ देखा जाए तो एक ये लाइन क्रॉस कर रही है और एक ये दो लाइंस आपस में क्रॉस कर रही है, और इनके अंदर इनमें एक कह ले कॉमन पॉइंट है. If you look at this diagram with a different theory, we can say that ये एक पॉइंट है और इस पॉइंट के आसपास एक एंगल बन गया. और हम ये बात पढ़ चुके हैं कि एक पॉइंट के आसपास कौन सा एंगल बनता है? एंगल एट अ पॉइंट which adds up to 360 degrees. इसके अलावा हम लोग एक और बात पढ़ चुके हैं. वो बात कौन सी है? On a straight line we